We're still having technical difficulties, so just don't. I wish I could turn off this music, because I hate this music. Hold on. Yeah, I had to turn it off. Play. Let's do this. The island nation of Commanders that was struck by an earthquake, which destroyed the bridges on every island. Help the citizens of Commander to rebuild their bridges. Okay, let's just have fun. Westlands. It's like this game is oh god. Wow, it actually looks like the game is responding to us. God darn it, hold on. Goodness gracious, what am I gonna do? Come on, cars. Oh. Yeah, I bet this is gonna break. Yay! Yay! Man, I never knew that I could. Oh, shh.